Oh no.
What's up guys, back with another 2-Minute Tuesday. This time we're starting off in the car.
Yeah.
And we're in the 2023 CT4-V Blackwing, and this time it's a special video to show you how to do line lock.
I know, this is a very interesting thing for me.
So I'm sure if you're a Mustang fanatic, you should know that most Mustangs come with line lock.
Yeah.
But GM actually added this into their Blackwings, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, and other GM performance things too. I don't think they all do, but this one does. So yeah, I'm about to show you that. Alright, so now we're sitting in the cockpit. The first thing you want to do is go to this thing, the selector for the PTM, and change it to one of the ones where stuff is off. So probably like Sport or Race 2 or whatever. I'm just going to go to Race 2 because it's like the most aggressive. Press OK. Then I'm going to go over to the Performance, and you can see there's a bunch of different stuff in here. You got your timer and your lap timer and G's and then launch control. And if you want launch control, there are a couple things need to happen. So one, you need to turn off your handbrake. So I'm going to press P here. And then now you can see it's on. So you need to keep the wheel straight. If you turn it sideways, it usually does not work. So I'm going to click here, and now you got three options. You got automatic, custom, and line lock. You go to this bad boy right here, line lock, and it'll tell you to fully apply the brakes. So I'm like pressing my foot in more now, and as I press it harder and harder, you can see it's up there. Now when I get off the brake, I have 15 seconds to do a fat burnout, so the front tires are locked. So now I would just dump the clutch at a higher RPM in like Florida or whatever, in first or second gear or third gear if you're a big baller like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it.
We're about to show you what it looks like on the outside.
Yeah, and it only lasts 15 seconds, so it is now over, and I can hear the front brakes just got unlocked. So there you go, and it says launch control unavailable now, so because my parking brake turned on after that. Alright, so now we're in the car, and I've reset everything just so I can do it all over again. First thing, I'm going to put this bad boy into Race 2, and then go down here. You can see it's unavailable. I'm going to turn off the parking brake. Now you can see it comes online, and okay, line lock. Now I'm just gonna press the brakes. Okay, let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay, so I'm gonna do a first gear burnout because I don't want to burn the tires too much, but yeah, so now I'm gonna get off of it, and I got 15 seconds. So yeah, there you go. I look-y just stalled it. And all the smoke is coming in here now. Oh no. I'm gonna drive forward to get rid of the smoke. Holy crap. I probably should have kept the windows closed.
I'll tell you what, they burned up very fast.
Yeah, that was first gear. It was looking like too easy. I feel like I should have done it in second or third if I really wanted to burn out, but...
True.
Okay, let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.